Hello, second grade. This is Module 4, Lesson 10. And our objective today is I can use math drawings to represent the composition when adding a 2-digit to a 3-digit addend. Our application problem today is Moses sold 24 raffle tickets on Monday and 4 fewer tickets on Tuesday. How many tickets did he sell in all on both days? You're going to have to do this in 2 parts. So push pause and then push play when you're done. Alright, let's compare our answers here. First, you need to find out how many tickets he sold on Tuesday. And we do that by subtracting 24 minus 4. I lined up my 1s and my 10s here. What is 4 minus 4? 0. And we bring down the 2. And our answer is 20. Now we need to add 24 because that is the number of tickets he sold on Monday plus the number of tickets he sold on Tuesday, which we just found out was 20. So I lined up my 1s place and my 10s place. What is 4 plus 0? 4. And what is 2 plus 2? 4. He sold 44 tickets. Okay, so I need you to say the number in expanded form. And it's going to look like this. 600 plus 70 plus 5. Now say the number in the say 10 way. 6 hundreds, 7 tens, 5. What is 20 less? 655. What is 100 more? 775. What is 100 less? 575. Okay, so we are doing the same thing as we did yesterday. We are just reviewing here. So we have 3-digit numbers and 2-digit numbers that we are adding together. And we can use our number disc or our place value disc to help us solve also. So let's first set up our problem vertically here. So I put 127 plus 18. And I lined up my 1s, lined up my 10s, and my 100s here. What is 7 plus 8? 15. Good. So we put the 5 in the 1s place, and we brought the 1 up here to the top. What is 2 plus 1? 3 plus 1 more is 4, and we need to bring the 1 down. Now if we wanted to do this with the place value discs, we would add our 127 to our place value here. How many 1s do we need? 7. Good. Let's add 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. How many 10s? 2, 1, 2, and hundreds, 1. Plus, we need 18 more. So how many more 1s do we need to add? 8. Good. Let's add 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Plus, how many more 10s? 1 more. Okay, so now we have a group of 10 here, 10 1s, and we can exchange that for another tens disc. And we have our answer for 145. Okay, let's try this one. First, let's set this up vertically. So we have 111 plus 79 equals, what is 1 plus 9? 10. Good. Let's bring down the 1, put the 1 in the tens place over here. What is 1 plus 7? Plus 1 more, 9. And let's bring down the 1 here. Now let's use our place value discs to help us solve this. First we need to put in the 111. How many ones do we have? 1. How many tens? 1. And how many hundreds? 1. Plus 79 more. How many more ones do we need to add? 9. Let's add them. How many more tens do we need to add? 7. Let's add them. Count as I add. Do we have a group of 10 ones here to move over to the tens? Yes, we do. So let's do that. Our answer here is 190. Go ahead and write this one out on your own and solve it, and then we will compare when you're done. So push pause and then push play when you're done. Alright, so did you line your ones up and your tens? I hope so. Let's add 6 plus 6 is 12. Bring the 1 over to the tens place. What's 3 plus 1? Plus 1 more. 5, and we bring down the 1. Now for our place value chart here. How many ones do we need? 6. Okay, count how many I have. And how many tens? Let's count them. And how many hundreds? Now we need to add 16 more. How many ones do I need to add? Let's count as I add. And how many more tens do I need to add? Let's add it. Do I have a group of 10 ones that I can transfer over to the tens? I sure do. Let's do that now. And our answer is 152. Let's do one more. Go ahead and push pause and then push play when you're done, and we'll compare answers. Alright, let's set this up vertically here. So I have 109 plus 41. I lined up my ones place and my tens place. What is 9 plus 1? 10. Let's put the 0 in the ones place and bring up the 1 in the tens. What is 4 plus 0? Plus 1 more. Very good. And we need to bring down the 1. Now let's do our place value chart here. How many how many ones do we need to add? Okay, let's count them. And how many tens? Okay, we don't need to add any. And how many ones? Now we're adding 41 more. So how many ones do we need to add? How many tens? Do I have 10 ones that I can transfer over to the tens place? Yes, I do. Let's bundle those up and send them over. Our answer is 150. It is now your turn. You need to solve this problem. You can set it up vertically and use the disk charts here. And then down here you need to use the previous problem, so this one right here, to fill in the blanks. Use place value language to explain how you use bundling to remove the solution, to rename the solution. So before bundling a 10, what did you have up here? And then after you bundled the 10 over here, what did you have? When you're done, take a picture and seesaw it to me. Good luck.